Hello, this is Schedulytics and welcome to today's session. If you are new to the channel, we encourage you to subscribe to the channel, turn on the post notification bell so you are always notified whenever a new video is released. And if you're a returning subscriber, we want to appreciate your love, your kindness, in always being on the channel to watch our videos and to like and share. In today's brief video, we'll be looking at three-way factorial ANOVA, how we can use the Stata platform to run three-way factorial ANOVA. Now, if you watch our previous video, we spoke extensively about how we can use the Stata platform, the SPSS platform, JAS platform to run one-way ANOVA, and then we talk about running two-way ANOVA with Stata. Today, we are looking at using Stata to run three-way factorial ANOVA. So basically, we do a three-way ANOVA or three-way or three-factor ANOVA to determine how a response is affected by three factors. And so in this video, we are going to see how systolic blood pressure is affected by three factors, i.e. marital status, occupation, and then educational status. So these are the three factors we want to see how it affects systolic blood pressure. So without wasting much time, we'll go straight to the point. But mind you, we are going to use two sets of codes to arrive at the same thing. So please take note of these two codes so you can also use them at any time to run your three-way factorial analysis. So now to run that three-way factorial ANOVA, we'll type ANOVA, and then we'll select our dependent variable, which is SBP. Then we'll select our marital status. Then we'll put 2 of the hash there, and then here as well 2, and we select education. Sorry, not location, but occupation. So we select occupation, and then finally educational status. So right there we have educational status, and then we click on enter. So here it gives us, here we have just marital status, occupation, then interaction between marital status and occupation, then education, marital status interacting with education, occupation interacting with education, and then all of them interacting together. And the corresponding p-values are all clearly stated here. So among them, it's solely this interaction here that is statistically significant, marital status, and then educational status. Now, so this is the first code you use when you are running it, where you are going to put 2 hash in between the pairs. Now, the other way to run it is very simple. So you list, first of all, you list them, occupation, educational level. Then for the first and second over here, you put a hashtag in between and occupation. Then the third variable comes to the first variable, marital status, occupation, then marital status versus occupation, then educational status, just as it's appearing here. So marital educational status, then now you pair marital status versus occupation, marital status versus educational status. Then you pair occupation versus educational status. And then finally you pair all of them. So marital status, occupation, and then educational status. Good. So when we click, it gives us the same output just as we saw in the previous output. So basically, this is how you can be able to run three-way factorial ANOVA if you set out to determine how a response is affected by three factors. If you find this video useful, we encourage you to like and share this video. Subscribe if you are new to the channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, we encourage you to continue to come here to learn. Until we meet again on our next one, this is Kedulytics, and it's a bye.